Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to track the status of your OKRs and strategic initiatives using the Initiatives and Outcomes dashboard in Businessmap. This dashboard gives you a single centralized view where you can monitor how your objectives, key results, and projects are progressing across the organization, all in one place. Here, you'll see real-time data about every key initiative and objective based on the boards and workflows you've connected. With this setup, you gain full visibility into your company's strategic execution, from top-level goals to operational deliverables. Now let's break down what we can see. When filtered by Outcomes Progress, the first pie chart shows the status of all your objectives. How many are on track, off track, or at risk? The second pie chart shows the status of your key results or KPIs, giving you clarity into the measurable targets behind those goals. For example, if one initiative under an objective is off track, the entire objective will be off track. Now let's switch the filter to Work Progress. This view focuses on the execution side, showing how your actual work is progressing across all boards and initiatives. This includes the completion rates of projects and initiatives in real time. It's great for understanding delivery status across teams. Now let's return the filter to Outcomes Progress. You can see not only the OKRs, KPIs, but also the work progress related to them, all in one place. Let's open an objective. Here, we can see the full hierarchy of related items, including contributing objectives, linked initiatives, and supporting team projects, giving us a full management overview. Now let's click on the At-Risk category. This opens up a list of all key results that are part of this objective, and you can see exactly which one is at risk. With this information in mind, you can identify where things are lacking behind and where intervention is needed. Other than that, if you scroll to the right on the dashboard, you'll find additional details for each item in a clear, table-based view. This includes work progress percentage, target dates, trend projections, and even custom fields, depending on what you've configured. This setup gives leaders such as heads of departments, portfolio, or program managers a full insight into each objective and work initiatives in a single view. Having said that, let's take a look at how to configure your dashboard. Click on the three dots and choose Settings to set up which boards to pull data from, which workflow stages to include, and what custom fields or metrics to display. You can customize the table columns and charts to reflect what information you want to display on your dashboard. Another powerful option is slicing the data by board name. This allows you to group and compare progress across different teams, departments, or portfolios. For example, you can instantly see how each team is moving toward their OKRs and initiatives. To initiate this management dashboard in your account from scratch, go to Add Widget and select Initiatives and Outcomes from the Management Dashboards area. With the Initiatives and Outcomes dashboard, you can align your organization around shared goals, monitor progress continuously, and make better decisions, all from a single source of truth. Go ahead and give it a try. And don't forget to reach out to us if you encounter any difficulties. We're here to help.